What's up guys, I'm Josh with SmokedOut BBQ and today I'm going to show you how to cook French toast casserole on the Green Mountain Grill. For the French toast casserole, I'm using challah bread. It's a couple days old so it firms up a bit. In a large mixing bowl, I'll crack 6 eggs, whisking them thoroughly. Then add approximately 32 ounces of heavy whipping cream to the egg mixture. Add in approximately 2 to 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For the egg mixture, I also add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, approximately 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and lightly salt the egg mixture. Once all ingredients are combined, whisk thoroughly and set aside. Now combine the egg mixture with the cubed bread and set aside for a couple of hours. I prefer letting mine go overnight. Now that the egg mixture is set and soaked overnight, I'll add it to a casserole dish and top it lightly with brown sugar and sliced butter. Now that the casserole is ready for the grill, I'll set the temperature on the Green Mountain Grill gym buoy to 400 degrees. Once the casserole is finished cooking, I remove it from the Green Mountain Grill and top it with powdered sugar and drizzle it with a good maple syrup. And that's how you cook French toast casserole on the Green Mountain Grill gym buoy.